From one bulb you can grow 2 butterfly plant and there is no problem at all. So hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to show you how we can grow butterfly plant faster, even better way. To grow butterfly plant you have to care for some tips that I'm going to show you in this video. So you have to watch this video till end, so you will get more better ideas on faster growing butterfly plant. So yesterday we brought that root of butterfly, and this one we have kept one all night by moistening this tissue paper by spraying some water here, and this looks like more healthy. So we are going to put this into the pot, so then we can come back in next 7 days and see you update that how fast this is growing a lot. We'll just need to you should give some focus here, as this root should be in the bottom and this should be at upside, so the roots and so the plants are coming through this point. These edges will get the leaves and all. So likewise we just need to keep here. Yeah, that's all. You no need to pressurize too much, as this is need so much lightweight soil. First week, first rules: water all the time. Second week, don't stop watering. One tiny small head will pop up. Third week, 3 head. Oh, it's 2 head. Amazing beauty of deep violet colors will pop up in this week. So it will be really nice stuff to see. It will be popping up a bit more, and the growth level will be faster than earlier. So within maybe next week you can see its full leaf. Especially I really love 5th week. This week is the week of the leaf is growing fully, and the full colors of the violet, lovely violet colors is more prominent here.